Alright guys, so this is kind of random. I'm just starting a vlog randomly because I'm out here with Jaden in his F. I got my F. We got my other friend Jaden. He's got a nice little Mustang. And then these homies just pulled up on me and they were asking to race the F. So I'm just like, oh, that'd be pretty dope, you know, good content for me. So I actually had my GoPro charged up today, so I couldn't say no. They got a E46 M3, super clean, and it is a manual too. So really clean car though. This is my favorite generation M3. I think it's the best M3 ever made, and nobody can convince me. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next clip. I might be racing this car. So. All right, guys. So I had a little photo shoot with the E46 just to get two of the cars together. I just met them, but they're super dope, and I love that. Like I said, that's my favorite BMW. So I was like, I have to get Jaden to shoot the ISF with the E46. So super stoked to see how those pictures come out. But we'll probably get like 1 or 2 runs in, and we'll see how the ISF can hold up against a manual E46 M3. I believe this M3 is stock, but maybe it has a little bit of stuff done to it. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I just met them, but I think it'll make for good content. So comment down below, what car do you think is gonna take the W, the E46 M3 or the ISF? Hopefully I have the angle correct, but I'm pretty stoked. Oh shit, they're already sending it. And guys, I didn't mention the M3 is female driven, so there's a girl in there and she's freaking shredding, so that's super dope. Always love to see that. So they do have a passenger. I probably should have had their passenger in my car just to, you know, make things a little bit more even, because I do have a V8. They do have that inline 6 in that M3, and it is lighter and it is manual. This thing is, you know, compared to that, this thing is a boat. It's not really a boat, but compared to that, it is. That thing handles like it's on rails. They're shredding. But those are kind of my predictions. I mean, like, top end, I got that V8 power. So okay. So we have just arrived to Mexico, and I believe after this bend we're gonna do a 40 roll and I'm gonna honk. So we'll see how it goes against this German coupe, the E46 M3. All right, they're getting ready. So clearly we had that V8 power. The ISF ate that thing alive, top end. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give her the hit. And the passenger is gonna be standing outside to record like the outside point of view. Yo. Okay, I'm gonna give you the hit. You got the hit, so you whenever you want. All right. But yeah, guys, I mean, the E46, it's not like super fast, but it is quick and it's excellent at handling. It definitely outhandles the ISF. So the ISF performs really well in pretty much every category, but the E46 definitely outhandles it. The styling is more timeless in my opinion. The E46 is just a driver's car. Whenever you go. Okay. I'll just chase. You're fast, Mom. Yeah, it's got a little top end. Yeah. But you got manual. I know. So. Was a much better run. Hopefully I was recording. Alright, I'm done for the night. Alright guys, I am in this empty parking lot because, here's the F, but we're not focusing on this car today. There is something legendary pulling up in literally 5 minutes, and it's absolutely insane. It is my, if you guys know and have been following the channel, my dream car, my obtainable dream car is pulling up in like 5 minutes, and I am freaking out. So I will pick up the camera when Don gets here, and you guys will see what he just bought. It is absolutely insane, and I did not see it coming, and I'm super happy for him. So let's just say that he's a fast boy now, so you guys will see. Guys, I can see it in the distance. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. This is my first time seeing this thing. I'm gonna wave him down. Dude, I'm over here. Dude, no way, bro. Guys, this is my honest reaction. First time seeing the car. I'm like, I have to record this. This is, you know, this is a special moment for him, a special moment for me. And I came like all the way out of my way. I got off work and I could have went home, but I'm like, nah, dude, bring this thing. I want to see it. So he's trying to, here he comes. Here he comes. Dude, yo. Dude. He's like trying to find me. All right, guys. There's no way. Dude, what the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my god. Yo. Is this real right now? What the heck? He's trying not to smile, but he is like stoked, and I'm stoked for him, guys. Dude, congrats. This is, he's trying to hold back like all the smiles, but this is a big deal, guys. This is so sick. I'm so happy for him. Yeah, I think now I'm just gonna put the cameras down and just check this thing out. I'm happy for you, dude.
Thanks, man.
Congrats. This is a big deal, guys. This guy's, ever since I've known him, he's been telling me, he's like, one day I will buy one of these. If you guys don't know what this is R35 GTR, and it's brand new off the showroom floor.
80 miles on it.
80 miles. Oh my god. It's not like I'm focusing on recording, so it's not like hitting me yet, but this is so sick. Yeah, I'm gonna put down the cameras, guys, but I just wanted to show you this is next level. Like, yeah, we got the F, but who cares about that? This is legit, dude. Congrats. What do you got to say to YouTube, to all of YouTube?
Dude, it's sick. I love it. It's great. I love it.
If you love it, we all love it. We're all happy for you. You guys go in the comment section, wish Don, just tell him congrats on his new R35, and yeah, I'm just gonna geek out over this thing for the next 5 hours. So this is so cool. I just wanted to show it to you guys. It's hard to see. We're losing a lot of sunlight and the car is black, but it's insane. So all right, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, wait, like this. All right, guys, look at the floor mats. There's a GTR. All right. Oh my god.